Message. Hey Scientist Smith. I've saw the radar and I saw Planet X, aka Planet Nibiru, is rapidly coming towards Earth. We should send an alert out stat.
America. Why do you call this meeting?
NASA has detected Planet X moving rapidly towards Earth.
Esperar, nos como, tres, cuatro veces el tamago de la Tierra.
Yes, we need to make a decision.
¿Cuál es la decisión?
Well, we are either gonna announce the tragedy or keep it top secret.
How are
Comment
we going to
along
announce
answer?
it?
Let's go for a vote. Announce it or keep it secret. The results will now show. In favor to share it, 176. In favor to keep it secret, 17. To announce it, 1. You guys must announce it in 72 hours or you will not stay in the United Nations.
NASA has detected Nibiru hitting Earth. We don't know when it's gonna hit Earth, but it's gonna cause a mass extinction event. Please stay calm.
Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators, use stairwells where necessary. Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators, use stairwells where necessary. Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators, use stairwells where necessary.
A civil danger warning in effect for the following states: Delaware, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, and West Virginia. This is not a test. Riots have been reported in the states that were mentioned. They have been confirmed to be highly dangerous and to be avoided at all times. Lock your doors and windows. Close blinds. Do not join in riots or you will most likely be arrested. This has most likely started because of the recent Nibiru hitting Earth discovery. Please stay safe and thank you for your time.
Tonight, President Biden vows to stay in the race as pressure builds for him to step aside. Today, admitting he screwed up at that debate. And Hurricane Beryl storms through the Caribbean on a path that
Civil authorities in your area have issued a National Information Center. We found out Nibiru is gonna hit Earth on September 23rd this year. The end is near. Please stay calm. It has now become close. Tsunami warnings may be issued for coastal cities, If you live in a coastal city or near one, evacuate now. I repeat, if you live in or near a coastal city, evacuate now.
What? No food? It's all because people think the world is gonna end, like it is. It's not. Those idiots. Nibiru is not real, and it will never be. Damn idiots, they can just restock. They are all idiots.
The end is here. Panic. This is not a drill. We are all gonna die. Nibiru is about to hit. If you wish to die on your own terms, kill yourself. We don't suggest it, but do it if you must. If you have a family, don't do it. If you commit a crime, you will die by lethal force. We are sorry it had to come to this, because we wish you good luck. And see you in the other side.
Put the weather machine on 7. We are all about to die. The disasters are as follows. Tornado.